Okay guys, I got 2013 Chrysler. I hear too many videos there. You have to replace the fuel pump relay and so many stuff. So what you my recommendation is start with the basics. Start with the battery first. Don't even listen to these guys. I mean, you can listen to them for advertise or whatever. But first of all, start with the basics. Don't blow your head with a lot of videos that don't even give you a recommendation. My recommendation is start with the basics, the battery, because this car won't start no crank. It just was the battery. So next time you look for a problem like this, start with the basics, which is the battery, and that's it. And thank you for watching. I just want to share some knowledge with you, but I don't want to take anybody else. But just start with the basics all the time. Don't blow your head with a lot of videos that change this, change that. Start with the basics, and then you can move forward. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.